Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you a really useful method to center objects in FreeCAD. So first we need to create an empty file, and after that we need to change mode to part design. Then we need to create body, we need to create sketch, and we need to select here XY plane and click OK button. Now we need to create the first object, so I select this one option and I click on rectangle. Now I draw a simple rectangle, maybe somewhere here. I click here. Then I click on this one icon and I need to select here constraint distance. I click on it and I select this one line. After that I click OK button. Then I select this option again and I click on constraint distance again. This time I select this one line and I click OK button. Now I need to create another rectangle, so I click on this one icon, but this time I select centered rectangle. It is very important to select this one option. Then I draw a small rectangle, maybe something like that. I click here to create it. I click on this one option again and I select constraint distance. Now I click on this one line. I type length and I click OK button. Then I select this one option again and I select constraint distance. I click on this one line. I type the length, for example 10, and I click OK button. Now we have here two rectangles. First one is here and the second one is here. So if we want to center this object inside this object, we need to select this one option. Then we select point in this rectangle. Then we need to select another point in this rectangle and we click on the middle point of this rectangle. Then this rectangle will be centered inside this rectangle. Now I recommend you to click on icon with an eye to hide constraints, and the effect should be more visible now. So it is how it works. If I helped you to do it, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Please let me know in comment if it solved your problem.